Soul medicine for sensitive survivors. You're not broken. You're toxic and traumatized. Soul medicine for my Noah. If I'm gone, these words still hold him. This is not mental illness, not just aging. Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Your miscarriages, endometriosis. These are Mould's receipts, not your failure. They told you recurrent miscarriages equals unexplained. The truth? Mould hijacks reproductive hormones. Heavy metals feed viral persistence. Toxins create precancerous tissue chaos. 9 miscarriages led me to understand Mould stops implantation. MS-like paralysis, now no more cane on long walks. I survived what kills. MS equals Mould plus heavy metals strangling your nerves. Bipolar equals histamine storms. Your insomnia isn't anxiety. It's your brain desperately detoxing while you sleep. 3 a.m. panic waking became 8 hours uninterrupted. Night sweats gone via hypothalamus detox. Adrenal crashes became deep restoration without supplements. Buddha berry tree. Peace method, Mould detox for womb health, heavy metal chelation that fixes circadian rhythms. Trauma alchemy, turn CPTSD into unshakable calm. For those called too sensitive, med-free healing for CIRS, PTSD, NAFLD. You need answers after seeing 10+ doctors. Mission? No one expires before they desire. You are not broken, you are healing. This week, I want to talk about something even more tender. My 9 miscarriages. For years I endured heavy, painful cycles that left me curled up in bed, missing work because the pain was unbearable. In 2005, desperate for relief, I had an experimental procedure called an ablation. My gynecologist said, "You won't have another period for 10 years. She was right. But here's the twist. While detoxing Mould this past year, I reversed the inflammation. As a personal trainer, I still carried a belly, always looking 5 months pregnant. I had insomnia since childhood, since I was 5. I was born into a toxic womb. Today, I sleep 8 hours a night. When inflammation leaves, all that remains is calm. The weight I struggled to lose for years? Gone, without effort. Today, I'm rewriting my story, from chronic pain to deep inner peace. I teach highly sensitive survivors of childhood trauma how to detox the body, brain, and environment. Because we cannot heal in the same spaces that made us sick. What part of your story are you ready to rewrite?